Guys, so this will be how you turn in your About Me page. Remember that I asked you to do File, make a copy, entire presentation, and then you're going to erase the copy of Miss Salyers and write your name. So if my name is Eric, I'm going to write Eric's About Me, right? Then you're going to click OK. Once you click OK, then I need you to share the document with me so I know that you did it, okay? It looks the exact same. See, this is the one I sent you. This is the one that you're going to be editing, right? The only difference is the name because we changed the name. You are going to click share. You are going to, it's already shared with me, but I'm just going to type it in. You're going to share with C. Salyer at houstonisd.org. You will see a cute little picture of my dog pop up. Select, send, and then do your assignment. Once you're finished, all I have to do is follow the link that you just sent me by sharing it with me, and you're done.